Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Sodium Bromide. What is Leisure Time Sodium Bromide? Establishes an immediate bromide reserve in your spa. When used with Leisure Time Brom Tabs, the disinfection of the spa will be completely bromine-based and chlorinous odors will not exist. Product benefits. For use with brominating tablets in hot tubs. Establishes a bromide reserve. Usage directions. Step 1. Add 1/2 of sodium bromide per 100 gallons of water to establish a 30 ppm bromide reserve. Step 2. Add Brom Tabs to establish a proper bromine level. Dosage. 1/2 Us per 100 gallons of water. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.